to offer supon to the couple as a sign of blessing and support. The celebration begins with panagsasagana, the stage of preparation. Relatives and community members gather to help family prepare for the occasion. Rice is pounded, tapoy or rice one is brewed, food and materials are gathered, and a temporary shade is set up in the yard. This preparation reflects the strong spirit of cooperation within the community. This is followed by Sugpanan or Tutugas, where family elders call relatives together. A pig is butchered, meals are shared, and invited guests bring gifts known as supon, which may come in the form of money or other offerings for the couple. Guests who participate in the celebration are invited through a traditional call called the cut. During the celebration, the parents of the newlyweds perform a traditional ritual in their own home. There, they dance and scatter rice grains across the yard, a symbolic act to invoke blessings, prosperity, and good fortune for the couple's new life together. At dawn, the padayas begins with the bukas, a harmonious chant performed by elders to invoke blessings. Ritual offerings are made and the celebration continues with a rhythmic beating of gongs and traditional dances such as takik, pinanyuan, bogi, balambang. Another meaningful part of the celebration is the duwaya, the counting of the monetary gifts given by the community. The collected gifts are wrapped in a traditional attire and carried by an elder who dances while holding it. Afterward, the bundle is entrusted to the bride, who carries and dances it like a baby before keeping it, symbolizing care, responsibility, and prosperity for their future family. Following the main ceremony, several important observances continue over the next days. Sabusap, a communal meal at the couple's home, after which guests return to their own households. Luto, another gathering where family members cook and share certain parts of the butchered pig together. Pamigyasan, a day when both families are gathered for a shared meal to further strengthen bonds. Tangob, a pig is butchered to formally close the series of celebrations, allowing the newlyweds to return to their work and daily life. Mamagoy, the family joins the newlyweds in the rice fields to harvest rice together. This may involve sunga or butchering of pig, depending on the tradition called mapaluloy. Suot, another occasion for butchering pigs where relatives are called to share in the feast. Sawang, the final observance, marking the official completion of the bayas and all associated rituals. Through bayas or dawak, the Ibagnin people celebrate not only the union of couple but also the enduring values of unity, kinship, gratitude, and the preservation of the rich cultural heritage. Every ritual, feast, and gathering reflects the community's commitment to support the newlyweds as they begin their life together. Ladies and gentlemen, Cluster 1, Bagnin Oriente, Bagnin Proper, and Balintaugan.
kani ware, ano kay umakay kan, ano kani bau kani taware, ano kay umadunan, ano kay patantay. Ay, kasi wara nang ibau ko na ilanan ano ano kani apo. Saya awatin nyo ano kani umangata, kumit si kayo abes. Ware abes, umano kasi apo taware. May tabigan nila, sana pamitsita ko sa ano kanina ko na.
Ayan. Ito, nung takot tali ng tawid nan, magkasala ay sinasawa nila. Ay, mantay turuta. Ano man ang, ano kasi tawid yun? At, ay, doon ang tako. Doon mo pa ilan, ano kasi makinawat, makindaya, makinabagatan niya, makinamyanan. Ay, siya man din ang dulong niyo.
Siya man din ang dulong niyo.
Ay, pagkadayaon pa. Ay, pagkadayaon pa. Ahoy! Ento ko manyaman, kenapok kabunyan. Tainayay inumdan, wagnas ay kalalay dan ase ahe ahe ahe
Ahoy! Tak kayo'y sinaasawa, gusto niyo ay manupla, ta ganun di pamilya. Luago kay di Domingo, da kayo't makimisa, mandayaw kong Diyos, Ama,
ahoy lato na'y kasiya na ng kabunyan interma amin matago-tago ipulaw limbaw ko
ahoy! Bikas gabay asika ng kabunyan pinirmaana. At nayay mon progreso, ilitak ko ay bao ko.
Kaya doya, sikang mapataka, palkan dagiti partida, hidumin mga kasawa, kada pag-eskwela, dagiti anak nga naida.